Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Goodvibes by Nidhi. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So I know that मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से YouTube पे कोई वीडियो अपलोड नहीं किया है. So I have a good reason for that. First of all, I was little busy in my online classes and also there is a good news that I have recently launched my own resin brand, that is ArtfullyResiNS. So I'll put the link of my page in the description box below. So in case if you are a resin lover, this page is for you. You can go and check it out. And for today's tutorial, I am first of all going to teach you how you can make this beautiful fluid art, as you can see. And can you see this shine? So this shine is because of the resin, and yes, I have used my own resin, that is ArtfullyResiNS. So without wasting much time, let's just start with the tutorial. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you do so, then please make sure to like this video and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more such amazing videos. So stay tuned and lots of love. Bye bye.